Claude blank screen and won't load fix is Claude showing you a completely blank screen or stuck on an endless loading spinner. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to fix this in under 2 minutes so you can get back to work fast. Here are the fixes that actually work. Fix number 1, refresh the page. Press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. This is the fastest fix and works most of the time. Wait for the page to fully reload. Fix number 2, do a hard refresh. Press Ctrl+Shift+R on Windows or Command+Shift+R on Mac. This bypasses your browser cache and forces Claude to load completely fresh. Wait for it to fully load. Fix number 3. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection prevents Claude from loading. Test another website to confirm your internet is working. If it is slow, restart your router. Fix number 4, clear your browser cache and cookies. Go to Settings, click Privacy and Security, select Clear Browsing Data, check Cookies and Cache, select All Time and confirm. Then reload Claude. Fix number 5, disable your browser extensions. Open Claude in an incognito window where extensions are disabled. If it loads there, an extension is causing the problem. Disable extensions one by one to find the culprit. Fix number 6, try a different browser. If Claude is blank in Chrome, switch to Safari, Firefox, or Edge and test there. If it works in another browser, the issue is with your original browser setup. Fix number 7, for Claude desktop on Windows, kill the process and restart. Press Ctrl+Shift+S to open Task Manager. Find all Claude processes, click End Task on each one, wait 10 seconds and reopen Claude desktop. Fix number 8. Check Anthropic's status page. Go to status.anthropic.com to see if Claude is down for maintenance or experiencing outages. If there is an issue listed, wait for Anthropic to resolve it. Pro tip, 9 out of 10 times the fix is a hard refresh combined with clearing your cache. Do not uninstall the app or reinstall your browser. Just hard refresh plus clear cache and you will be back in Claude in under 1 minute. So to recap, hard refresh with Ctrl+Shift+R, clear your browser cache and cookies, check your internet connection, disable browser extensions, try a different browser. Kill Claude processes if using desktop and check Anthropic's status page. If this helped you fix the blank screen, hit the like button and subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me which fix worked for you. See you in the next one.